Today I'm going to be making amazake. Amazake means sweet sake, but it contains no alcohol, and it's a traditional fermented drink. It is so sweet and it's so delicious. It's actually a summer drink to recover from the fatigue. The Japanese summer is so hot and humid, but it's more common to drink in winter at this time of the year. It is sold at the temples or shrines. Put some grated ginger on top and warms up our body. It's a kind of funky taste, but a comfortable funkiness. It's so sweet, but it contains no sugar, so you can use it as a sugar substitute if you want to avoid taking any sugar. The making procedure is just the same as the one-day miso, so let's see how to make it.
You will need only 2 ingredients and water, 200 grams of rice koji and 1 cup of Japanese short grain rice. Preferably 180 milliliters of Japanese short grain rice and 60 milliliters of sticky rice. If you replace the part of the short grain rice with the sticky rice, you can make a really sweet and viscous amazake, but it's totally fine to make it with the plain rice you are eating as a meal. First, let's rinse the rice. Switch your hands to rub the rice together, but do not break the rice grain. Change the water 2 to 3 times until the water runs clear. Drain and release the cloudy water, and transfer to a rice cooker bowl. Add 10% more water to it to make a soft cooked rice and start cooking. Meanwhile, prepare boiled and cooled water to add later. This is a little bit too hot, so take the bowl out and cool to 60 degrees Celsius. While we are cooling, pound the rice koji to separate into individual grains. And then mix with the cooked rice and add boiled and cooled water. Keep warm in the rice cooker. The temperature should be in between 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. And I turn on and off the rice cooker to control the temperature. Now this is my 3rd time to make a fermented food in my rice cooker, so I think I grabbed the point. So try making a few times using a rice cooker so you can see how it works. It's going to take 6 to 8 hours and stir in every 2 hours. Keep your towel wet and keep the moisture content. My amazake took me 8 hours until it tastes really sweet and there's no uncooked koji. So it's not really a matter of time, but it depends on how your amazake tastes and koji cooked on condition that your temperature and the moisture. Give it a taste, and if you are happy with it, stop cooking and take it out. And transfer to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator, and it can be stored up to a week or so. You can freeze it if you want to keep it longer. My amazake has less water content compared to the other recipes, because I want to keep it longer and I want to use it as a sugar substitute. You can take it out and thin it out if you want to enjoy it as a drink. Today I want to enjoy it as a drink, so I put the same amount of water to thin it out and warm it up to the 60 degrees Celsius not to kill the enzymes. And topped with ginger to warm up my body. I'm so happy to make this delicious amazake in my kitchen.
It's so sweet, so delicious. And you can feel the individual grain of the rice still remaining, but you can smooth it with the blender if you don't like the graininess is still remaining, but I want to choose some of the rice. It's so delicious. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.